like them. Jamming on the beat. It serves me out and doing like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb, and I'm here with another eBay mystery box. And this one, I believe, was $35. I'm thinking it was $35. It's supposed to have a value of $75 or $70, so at least double your money, whatever. I'll put it on the screen, the exact amount, because I looked right before I started this, and believe it or not, and I've already forgotten again. So anyway, this was on eBay, and I'll leave the seller's name and everything down below. And, you know, I'm just getting stuff from my store and stuff for my videos, you know, and this way where I've been sick, I know I said it a couple of days ago, but if you didn't see that video, they're saying this is going to be a long-term healing process. If you can't tell, I'm out of breath because I've had the air off for about 5 minutes. But where I got sepsis, pneumonia with sepsis, it said it could take up to 2 years before it's completely gone out of my system. And I'm like, well, I built all that up. I hate to just walk away from it. So I thought this is one thing that I can do, and I do these mystery boxes. I'm not so crunched at the time to get them out. So when I feel good, I can do it. This is a set of pillow shams. They're really pretty. I think my daughter-in-law might like them. I don't know. She's got great furniture. Yeah, of course, I don't do anymore. It won't go back in that box. I know it won't because it's barely stuck in there. Then, when I got it. Okay, and here's a pack of stickers. I don't know what they're... Here's a little pack of stickers. These are probably about $1 off Temu. You can get these for about $1 off Temu. And a lot of people that do reselling will put stickers in with it. They do it over. It says one more chapter. It says one more chapter. They're just spiced. I still read fairy tales. They're just farther away. I'd rather be finishing my... I don't know. Can't see half of them because my glasses, my reading glasses, are split in two. Okay, and then I got this, which some of this stuff I have put... I got a tote in my shed. And here, these are just Christmas decorations. Or Christmas. Merry Christmas! No, this is Halloween. And here's a paper lantern. Here's another one. 2 sizes of paper lanterns. Here's some witches' legs. There's 4 witches' legs. 3 are green and 1 is yellow. That's pretty good right there. That all came in one bag. Yeah, I can put. And then they got these. What are these? I don't know. Some kind of pen or marker set. I have to open to see them. Let's see what it says. Oh, these are micropoint. These are micropoint. It's a very thin line. They're good for art. And there's 2 of them. I think they're probably both the same color. No? Yeah, they're both the same color. But they both do work, and it's an ultra-fine micropoint. These are good in art. These are probably, actually, if you were... They're probably close to $5 a piece. If you get them at an art store. Just say. Okay, then we got these. And there's a set of lights. And it's got a pumpkin, a hat, witch's hat, and a spider. And it's got extra cord there, wadded up, so put that in there. That's Halloween. Then we got 8-pack of ultra absorbent microfiber, 2 blue, 2 green, 2 yellow, and 2 red. Okay. Let's see. Jesus, that was hard. Yeah, jeez, that was a little rough. But yeah, they're all vacuum sealed. This thing's rough. These scissors are terrible. But yeah, here they are, just microfiber, but they're good cleaning cloths. Then we have this. This is something to do with Halloween. I don't know if it's a sign or tablecloth or, let's see. I have to open it anyway. It's just a backdrop, I think. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's a backdrop. So there's that. Okay. And this is baptism cards, which those go in my store. Because, you know. Then we have, what does this say? Oh, it's got to protect, well, maybe it does. Yeah, maybe it does. It's got protective plastic on it. Sorry, I can't read what it says, but I'm sure it says something about autism. Because it's a puzzle piece. Yeah. Good deal. It says, honey, thank you for being such an important piece of my life. Love you forever. It's a little puzzle piece. Doesn't say that about autism, but it is about autism, so I will put that back for Kaylee Beret. And this is adhesive towel hooks, and there's 6 of them in here. Come on. I'm terrible at this. You think I never opened a box before in my life? There you go. This needs to be down farther. There we go. And they just look like this. Now, a lot of times, and they're metal. Now, a lot of times, I will use the adhesive back, but I also use clear Gorilla Glue, so it gives it a stronger, longer hold. So I'll put that up, because I just might make a sign or something out of it and sell it in the store. You know, kind of miss having my creative time. Oh, these are going to have to stick around. These are going to have to stick around. These are Christmas bulbs, but they're Christmas lights, but they're Grinch. And Okie doesn't really say Grinch. She says bitch. she says bitch, and we just all laugh and we go on about it. So those will be staying around. And here's some tile and tub adhesive. Ew, stinks. It's two-part epoxy. And there's still more. This appear to be an ornament. I think I've gotten this similar kind of boxes with different pictures on them. Oh, it's pretty. It's a little dragonfly. I'll probably put that in my window. I have a lot of butterflies in my house, plus I also have crystals at my window. And they're really, the kids love seeing that, the rainbows on the wall from it. They just love it. And see, this is rather dark, so you probably do want to put it up to the window. No. I was going to say, well, give me my phone and I'll flash it behind it. I guess not, I'm on it. I forgot. Okay. This is a large Christmas bag. And you can see it's got the handles there and the name tag. So we'll set that back. This, I have no idea what it is. So I'll have to Google search it. Yeah, I have no idea what this is. I don't know. I'll have to Google search it and I'll put it on the screen because I don't know. I can usually look at something long enough and figure it out, but I'm not that one. Let me have this. This box was so big I had to put it on the floor. So, darn it. I'm just trying to get this one done so I can turn the air back on. Oh, it's an eye patch. It's an eye patch. That would be good for Halloween. I know. Have you ever seen somebody quite so excited about an eye patch? Okay. Then we have this. Let's see if it says what it is, so I don't have to open it. It's Mylar, but Chrome 3-pack party decoration. I have no idea. But it might be I love that. Always have. These are they're this. ALUAOS. And it's 2 pair, I believe. Yeah, it's 1 pair. Yeah. Oh, these are driving gloves. These are driving. They smell. They're very soft. It's got like full lining. It's 1 pair. So I will put that away. Close enough, I'll get there. Okay. Okay. Then we have a USB plug jack. And this is By Their Side, a resource for caretakers and loved ones facing an eating disorder. So, that is that. Well, that's this box. What'd you think of this one? I think it was well worth $35. And I'm just going to put some of this here so it doesn't mess on the floor. I don't know what it is, but it was on the floor. Let's see if we can open it up and see. Oh, I see what it is. It's one of those, you know, those paper things that looks like it's either a witch or a, I don't know what it is. Let's just open it and look. Oh, there's two of them. Okay. There it is. There's two of these. And that's today's video. So I got some more different from different sellers on eBay coming, different mystery boxes. And, you know, I'm doing what I can when I can. I'm trying to stay ahead of things. So anyway, come on back, like, subscribe, do the YouTube stuff. Well, people need love too. Bye.